swamp holes. Holy beep! Stay in GnarlyChicken garage. There's the chicken. GnarlyChicken. Special guest appearance. Hey Brad. Brad's got his bike back here again because I don't know. Steve just can't get stuff right on it. We are doing bearings on this, and I'm gonna tell you, guys, try to stay away from swamps as much as you can. Never seen anything like it before. As a matter of, where's your bearing? Oh, it's in your hand. So there's the spacer, the dust cap, and the bearing. That's seasoned. So that's Brad's job. Lesson to all of us: don't follow Professor Graham through the Accomack backland, Grand Bay swamp holes. Here's your bike, Brad. 17?
No, it's 14.
Sorry, 14 with a sweet decal kit. 300, right?
250.
Damn it.
You built it, you should know.
Yeah, well, I don't remember how I went to bed this morning. What did we do today? We did front collars, dust caps, bearings, or all C's together. Rear wheel bearings. We did the front tire. Oh, we did the forks too. Brad had some leaky forks. Getting a little tutelage from the chicken. Street kitted too, isn't it? You got a street plated.
Yes.
Yep. So what else have we done today? I'm putting the countershaft steel on that. The 350 XCF. Just waiting for the link, master link to come in on that. 450 Husky is done. Another 300 Beta is done. Doing a motor job on this guy. You guys probably saw the video last week with all the parts inside the crank. Just having a little coffee break. Back at it.